Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Money Lover app. First, download the app from your device's app store. Once installed, create a new account or log in if you already have one. Then, set up your initial wallets for cash and bank accounts. Finally, customize your income and expense categories to fit your financial habits. Adding transactions is simple. Just tap the plus button, then input the amount, choose a category, and add a short description. Make sure to select the correct wallet, whether it's cash or a bank account. You can also include notes or even attach photos of receipts for more detailed record keeping, ensuring accuracy. The app helps you stay on track with budgeting. You can create specific budgets for different spending categories, like groceries or entertainment. Set clear financial goals, such as saving $5,000 for a vacation. Regularly monitor your progress and receive helpful alerts if you're nearing your budget limit or have upcoming bills. Gain valuable insights into your financial health through the app's robust reporting features. Review detailed breakdowns of your income and expenses to identify spending patterns. This helps you pinpoint areas where you can save more. You can also track your net worth over time and even export your data for more in-depth personal analysis.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.